Alrighty, welcome to this latest installment of our Mazda 6 and CX5 engine failure. So take a wild guess. What do you think is wrong with this one? Any ideas? Right, so it's pretty obvious, yeah. It snapped on number 3 journal, was number 3 cylinder. So we need to take a closer look at that, possibly get the injectors tested in case it was overfueling or something. Or maybe it was just a bad casting in the crank. Who knows? But the point is, it's snapped clean in half. It has also stuffed the block and how it was spinning, because it was actually running a number 1 and 2 cylinders. And it just sounded like a very loud cement mixer, but it was running. Oil pump chain still intact. Oil pump strainer not blocked. So, yeah, first time I saw that, and those cranks are pretty tough, according to the engineer that would check them, grind them, and so on, etc. He's commented several times that those cranks are really the toughest he's ever saw. So, it took something really aggressive to snap that. But there you go, a snapped crankshaft on a Mazda CX5 2.2 diesel. The block is scrap. It's done. It's for the scrapyard. It's no good because of this is finished. On the other side also, this one in the shot. So we need a block. We need a replacement crank. Cylinder head is as usual carboned up on the ports. But we have a solution for that. DPF removal, EGR blanket plates on the manifold. Once the head's been reconditioned, that'll be like a new head once it's done, and that will never happen again. Apart from that, not really much else to see with it. Share your thoughts if you have any. Share it on social media, all those lovely places that you do. You hit the like button, subscribe, and all that. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.